You don't make up for your sins in the church. You do it in the streets. You do it at home.
Most of the dance moves I do is mostly upper body, like miming, tutting, electro, and things that I can see through the heavens above. And I feel like most people don't understand my moves because they think if I'm doing stuff like this, they won't understand. No, you have to take your time, see what I'm doing. When I'm dancing, I feel like I can release anger, stress, and negative energy out of my life. There was this movie, You Got Served, and they were doing like battles, like there was like a team on this side, a team on that side. Like one person would go on and they would do their route, and they would have like people doing their routines, and then this other side would do the same thing. And I feel like if we all like stick together and actually respect each other's talents and styles, then that means that we all can be a part as one. I feel like on the day, June 25th, 2009, when Michael Jackson passed away, I was outraged. Like I didn't know what to think. But when I was watching him move, when I heard his music, it started to make me dance even more. So I started doing talent shows. I started going to some hospitals from when I was in my old school. We started doing mission trips, so I would dance for the people, and they seemed to love my moves and stuff like that. So I thought I could pursue it. I feel like if we all stick together, if we all come together as one, I feel like this world will become a better place. And one thing I will say is that we can't change the world unless we change ourselves. We need to be humble, we need to show positivity, and we need to have a good heart.